That later tonight. He's been reporting from Virginia Beach. And Eric, you said that you've been staying at a hotel and talked to some people in this hotel actually rated for Category 4 winds, so at least you'll be okay as far as the winds are concerned.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we're just a few feet away from that hotel, so if need be, we can find a good place for shelter. Anytime you're near one of the buildings, that's when you really feel that acceleration of the wind coming around the building. You head right out to the ocean front. The winds are a little calmer, but we're seeing them start to pick up more and more. We were in a lull. Now we've got another rain band coming ashore. Norfolk has been repeatedly gusting over 50 miles per hour. That will increase as the afternoon goes on. One thing that has not decreased that we'd like to see is the traffic. No shortage of incredibly, well, I'll bite my tongue, people who have been coming out. We're talking about dozens of people who have walked by me. And to be honest, I'm pretty much speechless at what we've been seeing in terms of how many people have been driving around. People like what you see behind me, which I apologize for. I don't even want to show it. At this point, I don't even want to show you anymore how many people are out and about, how many cars are driving around. It's just setting a bad example. And honestly, this is depressing to watch at the moment. We've already had 2 people killed in North Carolina. One was killed going outside to feed his animals. Another person was killed driving around town. There are so many people driving around. We have a crew that's in downtown Norfolk right now. They said that they're coming across people who are pushing their cars through flooded streets, that there's flooding throughout the area, cars that are stalled. Carl, Dr. Knapp, I honestly, fill in the blank for me here because I'm kind of running out of words.
What is very visible, though, out here at Buckrow Beach is Spider-Man. Yep, Spider-Man.
What are you guys doing? Hello? There's Mama having a great time in Hurricaneville.
All right, thank you.
Huh?
Okay,
What?
I don't like being videoing me.
What do you want you like? Hello. Hello. Sweetheart.
I'm out here to enjoy the surf today. It's such an ugly day and I decided to wear something good and make people laugh. So they know it's not all bad today.
Boomers. Woo! Hi, boy. Trim.
Do you really think it's a good idea for you to be out there?
No, I really shouldn't be out there, but I'm not being smart today. The surf is ridiculous. It has a lot of power to it. So I suggest if you're not a strong swimmer, not swimming, not to be out here.
Do you feel invincible?
My feet, actually, I can feel the sand hitting my feet and my face, but besides that, I really don't feel the rain or the sand, but I know it hurts pretty bad. That's out there now.
For everybody else, it's probably a good thing for you to stay off the roads and not come out if you don't have to.